Just hours after its signature event signed off, which was brilliant this weekend, by the way, and just hours before kicking off a new wrestling year, the much-rumored WWE sale is official, and it's quite the powerhouse in sports entertainment. The WWE has merged with Endeavor. That's the parent company of UFC. And get this, the entity has a valuation of $21 billion US. Yes, Endeavor, the parent company of UFC, finalizing a deal to acquire WWE at a valuation of $9.3 billion. This deal will see Endeavor create a new New York Stock Exchange listed publicly traded company that will run both UFC and the WWE. Endeavor will have a 51% controlling interest in the new company, while WWE shareholders will retain a 49% stake in the company, which, by the way, has yet to be named. And even more details came out today. The new entity's board will consist of directors, 11 different directors, that is, 6 of whom will be picked by Endeavor and 5 to be chosen by the WWE. And again, the new company plans to trade right here at the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol TKO. And in a breakdown of leadership roles, Ari Emanuel, the super agent who runs Endeavor, will be CEO of the company, while WWE boss Vince McMahon will serve as executive chairman. Dana White, the president of the UFC, will continue in his current role, while WWE CEO Nick Khan will also keep his title. In a prepared statement released today, Vince McMahon says, "Together, we will be a $21+ billion live sports and entertainment powerhouse with a collective fan base of more than 1 billion people and an exciting growth opportunity." And Ari Emanuel on record for saying that for decades, Vince and his team have demonstrated an incredible track record of innovation and shareholder value creation. And we are confident that Endeavor can deliver significant additional value for shareholders by bringing UFC and WWE together. That last line, that's something else there. Imagine Conor McGregor, the WWE, Brock Lesnar going back to UFC, John Jones versus Roman Reigns, Cody versus Conor, Ronda's return, Cowboy Brock versus Cowboy Cerrone. Name it, it could possibly happen. And WWE is a lot bigger than some people may think. People saying Hulkamania is a very long time ago, the Attitude Era 25 years ago. But the company held its marquee event Wrestlemania over the weekend, and it shattered records even before this announcement with the UFC. Largest audience in Wrestlemania history. The gate was more than $21.6 million US. 161,892 fans attended over Saturday and Sunday. Merchandise climbing an additional 20% on top of last year's all-time high figures. Sponsorship revenue above $20 million US, doubling last year's all-time record. And talk about social media power. WWE was the most social ever for Wrestlemania, with more than 500 million views this weekend. That's impressive. Those are big numbers. And wrestling and UFC. Are you ready for it? I am. And keep an eye on those headlines as the new WWE UFC Endeavor-led company will make an appearance right here on Wall Street sometime in the near future. A listing that may just TKO all detractors and critics, because this right here is indeed a very big deal. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.